Pranayam or pranayamas, the breathing exercise, are the key aspect of yogic science. Although many people ignore pranayamas or find it boring, but people who are practicing pranayamas on a regular basis are getting incredible benefits at physical, mental, and energetic level. A lot of scientific research is done to study the benefits of pranayamas. In this video, I will explain you the benefits of pranayamas and the scientific research on pranayamas so that you can heal your physical, mental, and energetic body. So stay tuned. Hello everyone, Namaste, Sat Shri Akal. I am Sukhwinder Singh and welcome to Yoga Chaitanya, a channel where you will find free content for improving your physical, mental, emotional and spiritual well-being. So if you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss any of the health related tips and updates. Before this video, I have released a video, what is pranayama, classification of pranayama and the stages of pranayama. It's a must watch. The link is available in the I button and the description tab. Each type of pranayama has particular benefits associated with it. That particular details we will cover in upcoming videos. In this video, I will cover some of the general benefits of all the pranayamas. Pranayamas are excellent way of achieving good physical and mental health, neuromuscular coordination and radiant body. By regular practice of pranayamas, lungs and the muscles associated with breathing becomes more healthy, strong and efficient. Regular practice of pranayamas improves the lung capacity. Improved lung capacity means more stamina and more energy for physical and mental activities. The practice of pranayama engages the diaphragm. Due to the movement of diaphragm, the abdominal organs gets massaged. This increases the blood flow in the abdominal organs, thus increasing their efficiency. The practice of pranayama increases the supply of oxygen and the prana in the vital organs like the brain and the heart. This improves their efficiency and protect the brain and heart from the severe diseases. Pranayama improves the efficiency of brain by purifying the nadis, that is the energy channels. The practice of pranayama purifies and activates the Ida, Pingala and Sushumna nadi, that is feminine, masculine and spiritual energy channels. The regular practice of pranayama helps to manage stress, anxiety and maintain emotional stability. Spiritual benefits of pranayama. As per Yoga Sutras, Maharishi Patanjali says pranayama has two main objectives. That is, regular practice of pranayama removes the shadow or the covering from the Vivek Buddhi, that is intellect. The practice of pranayama prepares mind for dharana and dhyan, that is concentration and meditation. Scientific research on pranayama. Now I will share some scientific research on few types of pranayama with you. My aim of sharing this scientific research paper is to motivate you to practice pranayamas. Research on Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. Nadi Shodhana Pranayama is one of the most important yoga practices. In 2007, Yoga Research Foundation, Mungar, India conducted a study in association with the National Corporate Organization Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited (BHEL). 30 adults suffering from hypertension participated in this research study. It was found that the practice of Nadi Shodhana Pranayama for 1 month in ratio 1:1 without kumbhak, that is without any breath retention, brought down both systolic and diastolic blood pressures. The systolic BP came down by 10 mmHg on an average by the end of 2 minutes and continued to fall during and after the practice. Total 14.5 mmHg. The diastolic BP showed parallel changes with a total fall of 4.2 mmHg. This research study also indicated that the practice of Nadi Shodhana Pranayama also activates the parasympathetic nervous system. A research study on Ujjayi Pranayama. In 2006, Yoga Research Foundation conducted a research study in Bhopal to study the effects of Ujjayi Pranayama. 22 asthma patients, 11 hypertension patients, and 7 healthy adults participated in this research study. All these participants practiced Ujjayi Pranayama for 5 minutes every day over a 1 month. The asthma patient gained the most from the practice. The oxygen saturation in the blood increased from 0.75% up to 5% maximum. Ujjayi Pranayama creates a positive airway pressure due to constant partial contraction of epiglottis and prevents the closure of smaller bronchi towards the end of exhalation. This is helpful for the asthma patients to improve oxygenation and empty the lungs, minimizing air trapping, thus allowing the next inhalation to be more effective. The slower rate of breathing encourages steady flow in contrast to turbulent flow during the bronchospasm, reducing airway resistance to the airflow, so there is a less work of respiratory muscles. The asthmatic patient has to spend less energy in act of breathing, and the level of fatigue experienced during the acute asthma is reduced. This is why the Ujjayi Pranayama is very useful during an asthma attack. The hypertension patients practicing the Ujjayi Pranayama recorded a significant fall in systolic BP by 20 mmHg and diastolic BP by 5 mmHg. Research on Brahmari Pranayama. In 1993, Munger Hospital, India conducted a clinical research project in coordination with Bihar School of Yoga to study the effects of Brahmari Pranayama. Dr. Vibha Singh examined 448 pregnant women over a year. All these females went through the same treatment, that is, medical checkups, dietary advice, pre-birth instructions, etc. With an exception of 112 women who practiced Brahmari Pranayama 1-2 times a day, 5 to 10 minutes during the pregnancy, till the first phase of the actual birth. It was observed that the group of 112 women practicing Brahmari Pranayama experienced normal blood pressure for all, compared to 25% in the control group with high blood pressure. Lower number of miscarriages, 2% compared to 8% of the control group. Fewer premature birth, 2.6% compared to the 5% of the control group. 25% shorter labor, generally less pain during the labor. Only 1% of cesarean section compared to the 4% in the control group. None of the newborns suffered from lack of oxygen, 0% against 12%. Greater average weight of the newborn. The result indicated that the regular practice of Brahmari Pranayama during the pregnancy elevates stress and anxiety. It regulates the better hormone balance, which promotes the birth of healthy children. In another study conducted by Dr. Singh, Brahmari Pranayama provided multiple benefits in surgical patients, showing shorter healing time, less infection, reduced requirement of anesthetics, and few post-operative problems. So this was all about benefits of pranayama and the scientific research on pranayamas. I hope you liked this video and it added some value to your life. If you think so, please press the like button and comment. In upcoming videos, I will introduce you to different types of Surya Namaskar, different pranayamas, and yoga therapy for different issues. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon with all notifications so that you don't miss any of the health related tips and updates. Thank you so much for patiently watching this video. Namaste, Sat Shri Akal. Take care. God bless you all.